equations which are reducible to linear equations. അപ്പോൾ അത് എങ്ങനത്തെ ഇക്വേഷൻസിനെയൊക്കെ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും നമുക്കൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ എടുത്ത് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, സേ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 17 തന്നെ എടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ 17 from the textbook. Okay, so solve the pair of equations. Solve the following pair of equations. അപ്പോൾ അതിനകത്ത് രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഈസ് 2/x plus 3/y equal to 13. Okay, and 5/x minus 4/y equal to minus of 2. This is given to you. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഒന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചു നോക്കുക. ഇതിനെ 2 into something plus 3 into something equal to 13 എന്ന് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് 5 into something minus 4 into something എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അതിനെ ആ രീതിയിൽ ഒന്ന് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ കുറച്ച് സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ട് എഴുതുകയാണ്. റീഅറേഞ്ച്മെന്റ് ആണ്. 2 into 1/x. ഓക്കെ, 2 into 1/x plus 3 into 1/y is 3/y, right? But I am writing it separately. And that will be equal to 13. കാരണം ഇതൊരു ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നത്തില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് ഇഫ് യു ട്രൈ ടു സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ദിസ് തിങ് ബൈ ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ടേക്കിംഗ് LCM and all, you will get, say this becomes 2y plus 3x equal to 13xy. So now this doesn't remain a linear equation. This is not a linear equation now. മനസ്സിലായോ? അപ്പൊ അത് അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മളതിനെ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യും. Okay, വേറെ വല്ല സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ എടുത്തോണ്ട്. So here I can put a bracket, here also I can put a bracket. So this is the first equation, and the second equation can also be reduced like this. So this is 5 into 1/x plus or minus 4 into 1/y equal to minus 2. See, pay attention in how to convert. Okay, now what I'm going to do is instead of 1/x I will take a. Okay, what I'm going to assume, I'll be assuming that 1/x is equal to a and 1/y equal to b. Okay, what I'm going to assume, let here, okay, let 1/x equal to a and 1/y equal to b. This is my assumption. Now what I'm going to do is replace 1/x by a. So this equation becomes 2 into 1/x. Instead of 1/x I will put a. Okay, so it becomes 2a plus 3 into 1/y. What is 1/y? That is b. Okay, and so it is 13. Same way in this case, this is 5y. So sorry, 5 into 1/x becomes 5a minus 4 into 1/y is b. So it is 4b, and that is equal to minus of 2. Now you can eliminate these two. These are the two required linear equations which you know how to solve. You can solve using elimination or anything. Say the first equation I will multiply by 5 and the second equation I will multiply by 2. Okay, so equation number 1 multiplied by 5, what I'm going to get? 5 2s are 10a plus 5 3s are 15b, and that will be equal to 13 5s are 65. Equation 2 multiplied by 2, I'm trying to make the coefficients of a equal. Okay, so 5 into 2 will be 10. So I'm getting 10 here. So 10a minus 4 2s are 8b, and that will be equal to 2 2s are 4 minus of 4. Clear? Now when we eliminate, this will get cancelled. What is 15 minus 8? So I can put 23. 23b equal to how much is here? 69. Okay, Now 69 is divisible by 23. So B equal to 69 by 23. So 23 into 3 will give you 69. So first equation, sorry, one of the variables is okay. Now what I'm going to get is the other variable, that is A. Okay. Now take the first equation. First equation. So first equation. So from equation 1, what we have 2A plus 3B equal to 13. Instead of b we shall put 3. So this is 2a plus 3 into 3, and that is equal to 13. Okay, so this is 2a and this are 9, and that 9 will go that side. So you get 13 minus 9. Okay, so you get 4, and this is a and 2. Okay, so a is equal to 2. Clear? A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. We get A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. Now, see, what was our question? Solve the following pair of equations. So, solution means what? The value of the variables given in the question. Here, our variables are x and y, but we have got A and B. So, 1 by x is equal to A and 1 by y equal to B. We know that. Okay. Now, okay, so 1 by x equal to A and 1 by y equal to B. This is what we know. So therefore, what is 1 by x? 1 by x equal to 2, and what is 1 by y? 1 by y equal to B, that is 3. So what is the value of x and y? Therefore x equal to 1 by 2 and y will be equal to 1 by 3, right? Because 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So you can take reverse. Okay, just flip them or cross multiply, whatever you want to do. Okay, 1 into 1 and 2 will go down, x will go up, like that. X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3 is the solution. Okay, is the solution. Is that clear? Yes. Yes. This is a very simple type of question. Now I'll try to solve similar type of questions. Okay. Some will be taken from the exercise, some from the examples, some from somewhere else also. So let me consider the next question. So it is from exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6, question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. Can you do that? It is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 6. Sorry, 13 by 6. Again, this can be converted. Okay, what I am going to do, I'll assume 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Okay, so let us assume 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Okay, 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. So then the first equation can be written as 1 by 2. See, listen again, you need to be very careful here. If I am converting this thing 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y, and that is equal to 2. Okay, here it becomes 1 by 3 into, see, I am just separating the x in the denominator, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y. Okay, that is equal to 13 by 6. So in this expression I am going to replace 1 by x by a. So this becomes a and this becomes b. So how to read now? Now it becomes, so therefore 1 by 2 into A plus 1 by 3 into B equal to 2. And the second equation becomes 1 by 3 into A 1 by 3 into A plus 1 by 2 into B equal to 13 by 6. Okay, is that clear? Now multiplying by 6, which is the LCM, the first equation becomes multiplying by 6 in the numerator. This is a, this can be simplified. Okay, this can be simplified by I am taking a cross multiplication and or multiply by 6 throughout. How? Multiplying by 6. If you want, we can write it down here. Multiply by 6. Okay, this is how I simplified this expression, and I get, what can we get? 3 will be multiplied here and 2 will be this. It becomes 3a plus, okay, 3a. Can you see? 3a plus 2b, and that will be equal to, say here we have 6. 6 2s are 12. How many of you followed this line? Or how many of you did not follow this line? What happens is like this. See, if you multiply 6 here, I will multiply 6 here, I will multiply 6 here, I will multiply 6 here. What happens? 6 2s are is 12. So I am getting 12 here. Now 3 and 2. So 6 and then 2 3s are 6 here. Okay, clear? Same way, we will multiply this also by 6 because 6 is the LCM in this case also. So here also we are going to multiply by 6. So you get 2a plus 3b, that is equal to 13, because 6 will get cancelled when you multiply 6 with that. So this is your first linear equation and this is your second linear equation. Now you know how to solve this. Okay, multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2 so that you can have b equal, or you can do it the other way around. I'll equate b. Okay, so first equation is multiplied by 3. What can we get? 9a plus 3 2s are 6b will be equal to 12 3s are 39. Is that? Now second one will be multiplied by 2 so that I can have the coefficients of b equal. Okay, will be multiplied by 2. So what we get is 2 2s are 4a plus 3 2s are 6b, that is equal to 13 2s are 26. Now you can eliminate. For elimination, we need to change the sign here because both of them are of the same side. Now I can cancel. 9 minus 4 is 5a, and here we have 10. Okay, 26 minus 36 minus 26 is 10. So a will be equal to 5 into 2. A will be equal to 2. Okay, a will be equal to 2. Now to find the value of a, you take any one of the equations. Say this 3a plus 2b equal to 12. From equation 1, I am substituting this value into a. So I get 3 into 2 plus 2b equal to 12. So this is 6 and I can take that 6 that side. So 6 plus 2b equal to 12. So 2b equal to 12 minus 6 becomes 6. Okay, so b will be equal to 3. So I am getting b equal to 3. Okay, is the problem over? No, not yet. We just have to find the value of the variables in the question, not any other variable. This was the assumed variable. Okay, so I need to find out the value of x. Now again, we know that what is x? What is x? X equal to 1 by a, because a is equal to 1 by x, x equal to 1 by a, and y will be equal to 1 by b. Okay, now, okay, x equal to 1 by a and y equal to 1 by b. So what is x? 1 by 2, and it is y is equal to 1 by 3 are the solutions. Okay, is the solution, is the solution. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, if it is not clear, let me know. Now a little more advanced. Okay, question number 2. Let us consider 2 by square root of x plus 3 by square root of y equal to 2. And which is the second equation? Second equation is 4 by square root of x minus 9 by square root of y is equal to minus of 1. Now here, see, we have square root of x. So I will assume square root of x is equal to a and square root of y equal to b. Okay. So let us assume, let 1 by square root of x equal to a. Okay. And 1 by square root of y equal to b. See, here we are taking this assumption, so we need to be careful at the end. Okay, this is what we are going to take. So 1 by root x is equal to a. So the first expression can be simplified. So now onwards I am not going to separate them, I will directly write. So from the first equation what I get is 2a. Okay, 1 by x out ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ 1 by y ഉണ്ട്. So 1 by root 1 by x അല്ല 1 by root x ഉണ്ട്. 1 by root x നെ ഞാൻ a എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നു. So what I get 2a. So therefore equation becomes 2a plus 3b equal to 2, and the second one is 4a minus 9b equal to minus of 1. The first equation can be multiplied by either 3 or 9, 3 or 4, 3 or 2. Okay, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So first equation will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so equation number 1 multiplied by 2, what do we get? So that I can make a equal. So I get 4a plus 3 2s are 6b equal to 4, and second equation will be multiplied by 1. So I get 4a minus 9b equal to minus of 1. Okay, eliminating minus, plus and plus. You can cancel this. So this is 15b. Okay, this is 15b, and here we have 5. So b equal to 1 by 3. b is equal to 5 by 15, or 5 3s are 15. So it is 1 by 3. Okay. b equal to 1 by 3. b is 1 by 3. Good. Now for a, what can we do? To find a, I'll take any one of the equations. The first one. So from equation 1, I have 2a plus 3b equal to 2, and I'll substitute b equal to 1 by 3 here. So what I am going to get? So therefore 2a plus 3 into 1 by 3, okay, equal to 2. So 3 can be cancelled. 3 can be cancelled. So finally 2a plus 1 equal to 2. So 2a will be equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, are you following? So a will be equal to 1 by 2. So we have got the values of a and b. Now we need to find the values of x and y. Now come back to the original assumptions. 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to, so not 1 by x, 1 by root x equal to a and 1 by root y equal to b. So now 1 by root x equal to a and 1 by root y equal to b. So I can say that 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 and see be careful രണ്ടാമത്തെ ആൻസർ ആയിരുന്നു നമുക്ക് രണ്ടാമത്തെ വാല്യൂ കിട്ടിയതാണ് x ന്റെ വാല്യൂ സോറി a യുടെ വാല്യൂ okay and same way 1 by square root of y what is that b is 1 by 3 so I am replacing 1 by 3 okay both numerators are equal both values are equal and the numerators are equal therefore the denominators should be equal so therefore x will be equal to say square root of x will be equal to 2 and what is square root of y? Square root of y equal to 3. What does that mean? Therefore, taking square on both sides. Okay, again squaring both sides. So x will be equal to square of 2. Okay, that is 4 and y will be equal to 9. Okay, so what is the solution? So therefore, x equal to 4 and y equal to 9 is the solution. Okay, is the solution. Is that clear? ഓക്കെ നമുക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലം ആയിട്ട് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന എന്താണോ അതിനെ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്തിട്ട് പിന്നെ അതിനെ സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് എടുക്കുകയാണ് ഓക്കെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം ഇതിനകത്ത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കുക കേട്ടോ നൗ ലെറ്റ് us go for question number 3 question number 3 ക്കകത്ത് എന്താണുള്ളത് 4x plus 3y ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരിടത്തുണ്ട് ഒരിടത്തില്ല ഇഷ്യൂ ഓക്കെ so 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14 okay and which is the second equation it is 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23 here രണ്ടിടത്തും കൂടെ assume ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരിടത്ത് അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി so when you simplify this thing we have say 4 into 1 by x plus 3y equal to 14 and in this part we have 3 into 1 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Now I will assume only 1 by x is equal to a and I will not assume go for y. Okay, so what I get is let or if you want you can take y as a or sorry y as b. So let 1 by x equal to a. Okay, that's it. I will not go for y. So then what I get for the first equation it becomes the first equation becomes the equations become 4 into a plus 3y equal to 14 okay because this is in the linear form only so this is in the non-linear form so I made it into a linear form so now 3a minus 4y equal to 23 okay that's it how to eliminate you just need to equate the coefficients first of all this is your first equation this is your second equation and then how to equate multiply the first equation by 3 and the second by 4 or the other way around or first equation into say I will multiply it by 4 so what I am getting so 4 is a 16a plus 4 3s are 12 y equal to what is 14 into 4 14 into 4 will be equal to 56 will be equal to 56 and here the second equation will be multiplied by 3 why am I multiplying by 4 and 3 you should know that I am trying to equate the coefficients of y okay so ഇതിനെ ഞാൻ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് 3 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക അപ്പോൾ 3 3s are 9 now 9a and then here when I multiply 3 it will be 4 3s are 12 y what is the sign negative and 23 3s are what is that 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 16 you just need to add them to eliminate addition okay No, don't change the sign, just directly add 16 plus 9. What is 16 plus 9? 25. So we get 25a. And what is here? Here we have a 5, here we have 125. I think it is correct. Yes, it is 125. Correct. So what is value of a? A will be, see, 25 into 5 is 125. A equal to 125 divided by 25, which is equal to 5. A equal to 5. We got a as 5. Next, once you get a equal to 5, we'll substitute it into any one of the equations to get b. So I'll take the first one, a equal to 5. So for a, now from equation 1, okay, from equation 1, we have 4a plus 3y equal to 14, a equal to 5. So we have 5 4s are 20, or 4 into 5 plus 3y equal to 14. So 4 5s are is 20 plus 3y is 3y equal to 14. So 3y will be equal to 14 minus 20. 14 minus 20. What is 14 minus 20? 6 negative. So y 3. So 3y equal to minus 6. Okay, 3y equal to minus of 6. So y equal to minus 6 by 3, which is equal to minus of 2. Okay, so what I get, therefore a is equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2. This is a problem. What is a? What is a? A is equal to 1 by x, correct? So I will replace, instead of a, I will put 1 by x equal to 5. And this is y equal to minus 2 as it is. No need to write again and again. And this, therefore x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to minus 2 is the solution. Okay. Let us look at the next question. Next question, it is even more complex. We are developing now. Okay. So fourth one, what is given to us? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2. Okay, y minus 2, and that is equal to 2. And the other equation given to you is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, this is given to you. Now here what we are going to assume is 1 by x minus 1. Okay, because when we simplify this thing, we can write that 5 into 1 by x minus 1. Okay, and this can be written as 1 into 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2. And this can be written as 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2, and that is equal to 1. When you observe that these two are same, see, whatever occurs here, ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് വരുന്നത്, ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് വരുന്നത്, സെയിം ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ എന്താണോ അത് രണ്ടും സെയിം ആണ്. അങ്ങനത്തെ കേസ് വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ ഇതിനെ എ എന്നും ഇതിനെ ബി എന്നും എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 5a plus 1b എന്ന് വായിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ 6a minus 3b എന്ന് വായിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുന്നത് 1 by x minus 1 equal to a. Okay, so here let us assume that here let 1 by x minus 1 be a. Sometimes you can take u also, u and v also. That's okay. Okay, whether u, v, in the textbook they are using u. So if you want, I can take u and v. But writing a and v is more simple than writing u and v, because sometimes some students u and v, because of their handwriting, they get confused. Okay, so I generally prefer a and b. Is that clear? Yes. So instead of a, you can take u. Instead of b, you can take v. So then you will get everything as given in the textbook. Okay, I think in the textbook, yes, in the textbook they are taking u and v or p and q, but I prefer a and b. It's okay. 1 by x minus 1 equal to a, and 1 by y minus 2 equal to b. Okay, മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ. എ എടുക്കാം, ബി എടുക്കാം, പി എടുക്കാം, ക്യൂ എടുക്കാം, യു വി ഇവിടെ ഇല്ലാത്ത ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ടെണ്ണം എടുക്കാം നമുക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ ഇനി ഇക്വേഷൻ എങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കും? സോ therefore what we have, therefore the equation becomes 5a plus 1b equal to 2, and the second equation becomes 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Okay, now what to do? First equation multiply by 3. Okay, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. The first equation will be multiplied by 3 by elimination method. So 5 3s is 15a plus 3b equal to 3 2s are 6. Okay, the second equation remains as it is, equation number 2 into 1. So 6a minus 3b will be equal to 1. What to do? You just add to eliminate. So this is 21a and this is 7. A will be equal to 7 by 21. So 7 3s are 21. So 7 into 3. So 1 by 3. What is A? A is, okay, I will take that later. So A is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3. So which one should I take? I'll take the second one, because here the coefficient of A is divisible by 3. So I'll take that one, because that will be more simple, or it will be easier. Question number, sorry, equation 2. So from equation 2, what we get? We put the value of A. We have 6a minus 3b equal to 1, and instead of A, I'll put 1 by 3 minus 3b equal to 1. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay, so 2 minus 3b equal to 1. Minus 3b, I'll take that side, so I'll get 3b, and in this side we have 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Okay, so b will be equal to 1 by 3. So I'm getting a equal to 1 by 3 and b equal to 1 by 3. A equal to 1 by 3 and b equal to 1 by 3. So now what is a? What is a? A is x minus 1. A is x minus, so 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 equal to a. Correct, and that is equal to 1 by 3. Correct, a equal to 1 by 3. So I am putting, instead of a, 1 by 3, and here in this equation I am going to put 1 by 3, and 1 by x minus, then 2, x and y minus 2, y minus 2 also equal to 1 by 3. Now from this 2 you get equations as x minus 1 equal to 3 and y minus 2 equal to 3. Again simplify a bit. So x will be equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4, and y will be equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Is the solution. Okay, I hope things are clear to you. X equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Be your answer. Is that clear? Yes. I think we can take one more class for this. We have 15 more minutes. Okay, so we can do 2 more problems, 1 or 2 more problems. Okay, നമുക്ക് അടുത്തത് നോക്കാം. അടുത്ത എന്താണ്? അടുത്ത നോക്കിയേ, 5th question. See, ഓരോന്നും ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആണ്. Every question is different. Okay, 5th question നോക്കാം. All different possible types are given to you, and you are just practicing them. So this is 7x minus 2y divided by xy. 7x minus 2y divided by xy equal to 5. Okay, it is equal to 5. And what is the second equation? 8x plus 7y divided by xy, that is equal to 15. Okay, what to do? This xy we will multiply it with 5. So this becomes 7x minus 2y equal to 5 into xy. Is that clear? Or I'll distribute this xy to both of them. We can do that. I can write this as, say, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy. Can we do that? I'm just giving xy to both of them. Yes. Okay. And in the second one also, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy, and that is equal to 15. Here is 5 and here is 15. Now, if you observe, you can cancel this x, you can cancel this y. Here, from here x will go and from here y will go. Correct. So what do we have now? Let 1 by y, see here everything is reversed. So here in this case I will take 1 by y equal to a and 1 by x equal to b. Okay, so that I get a normal type of equation. I can do anything. Okay, ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ തൽക്കാലം ഇവിടെ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് 1 by y ഈക്വൽ ടു, ഇവിടെ എന്താ ഇരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് നോക്കിയാൽ ദിസ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 7 by y മൈനസ് 2 by x ഈക്വൽ ടു 5. പിന്നെ ഇപ്പുറത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? 8 by y അല്ലേ? 8 by y പ്ലസ് 7 by x ഈക്വൽ ടു 15. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ 1 by y-നെ ഞാൻ a ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുന്നു. എനിക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെ വേണം ചെയ്യാം, വേണമെങ്കിൽ 1 by x-ന് തന്നെ a ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. പക്ഷെ അപ്പോൾ ബിയും എയും തിരിഞ്ഞു പോകും, പൊസിഷൻ തിരിഞ്ഞു പോകും. ഇഫ് നോ പ്രോബ്ലം ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. സോ ലെറ്റ് 1 by എന്ത് വേണം? ആസ് യൂഷ്വൽ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പോലെ തന്നെ ചെയ്യാനോ? അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാനോ? ഓക്കെ, സോ 1 by x-നെ തന്നെ a ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. 1 by x ഈക്വൽ ടു a ആൻഡ് 1 by y ഈക്വൽ ടു b. സോ 1 by x ഈക്വൽ ടു a ആൻഡ് 1 by y ഈക്വൽ ടു b. പിന്നെന്താണ്? അതിനെ അതിനകത്തോട്ട് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ഇക്വേഷൻസ് എന്താണ്? therefore the equations become 7 by b, so 7b minus 2a. കാരണം എന്താണ്? ഇവിടെ y ആണ് അല്ലേ? ആദ്യം y ഉണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ട് 1 by y ആണ് വരുന്നത്. പിന്നെ 1 by x പിന്നത്തേനാണ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 5. സെക്കൻഡ് ഇക്വേഷനോ 8b പ്ലസ് 7a equal to 15. What to do? This is your first equation, this is your second equation. Next, what to do? First equation multiply by 7, second equation multiply by 2. Okay, first equation multiply by 7 and the second equation multiplied by 2. 7 sevens are 49, b minus 7 twos are 14, a equal to 7 fives are 35. Multiply by the second equation, multiply second equation by 2, so 8 twos are is 16b plus 7 twos are is 14a, and that is equal to 15 twos are is 30. Clear? Now you just need to add them to eliminate. So this is 49 plus 16b. So here we have b, and then 9 plus 6 is 15. 4, 5, 6. So it is 65. And here we have again 65. So what is the value of b? b will be equal to 1. b is equal to 1. Value of b is equal to 1. Now what is value of a? Take any one of the equation. Which one? The first one or the second one? Let me take the first one. So from equation 1 we have 7b minus 2a equal to 5. So b equal to 1. So 7 minus 2a equal to 5. So 2a will be equal to 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is again 2 equal to 2a. So therefore a equal to 1. Correct? A equal to 1. Now come back to the question. Our assumption was 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. I wanted, so what is a? A is 1 and b is also 1. So 1 by x will be equal to a, which is 1. Okay. And 1 by y also equal to b, which is 1. Okay. So what I am getting, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Is that clear? Is the solution. Is the solution. We'll take the word problems next day. If possible, we can complete this exercise. Is that clear? Now I will give you hints for the next question, and then I'll go for the seventh or eighth question. Okay. Next question with a hint. Which question? Question number sixth one. This is 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. Okay. And the second one is second equation എന്താണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? Second equation തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താണ്? Second equation is 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Correct? Here what to do and how to do? Divide by xy. Okay. I'm just giving you a hint. You can solve it on your own. Divide by xy, divide by xy, divide by xy. Okay, here also divide by x, divide throughout by xy, or multiply by 1 by xy. What happens? What happens? What happens from this side? This side x will go, this side y will go, and this side xy will go. From here x will go, here y will go, and here xy will go. The equations remain as, say, 6 by y plus 3 by x equal to 6. And here the second equation will be 2 by y plus 4 by x equal to 5. Correct? Now you know 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b, and proceed further. Clear? Correct. So what I get again, see 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Okay. So in this, what happens? In this expression, what can I do? So this is 1 by x, 1 by y, which is equal to b. So I get 6b plus 3a equal to 6, and here it becomes 2b plus 4a equal to 5. Now you can simplify. Okay. So solving further, we can get the solution. Okay. Fine. Now I'll do one more question. Let me take the seventh question. Okay. 10 by, what are the equations given to you? This is 10 by x plus y. Okay. Plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. Now, which is the second equation? Second equation I'll write on the right hand side. This is 15 by x minus y minus 5 by x minus y. That is equal to minus 2. Okay. In this case, see, I can see x plus y here also. Okay. Here also. So x plus y here and here. Okay. Both of them are okay. So what I'm going to take, I'll take 1 by x plus y as a and 1 by x minus y as b. Okay. So here, let us assume 1 by x plus y as a and 1 by x minus y as b purely. So what I get here, from here I get 10 into a plus from here I get 2 into b, that is equal to 4. And what is the second equation? Second equation becomes 15a minus 5b equal to minus of 2. Okay. Now what to do? This is the first equation, this is the second equation. I will multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 2. Okay. This is the first equation and this one is the second equation. Is that clear? To make coefficient of b equal, I need to multiply this by 5 and this by 2. So equation number 1 multiplied by 5, what do we get? And equation number 2 multiplied by 2, what do we get? So 5 tens are 50, a plus 2 5s are 20, b, that is equal to 5 4s are 20. Okay. Now multiplying the second one by 2, so 15 2s are is 30a minus, say 5 2s are 10b. Okay, that is equal to it. ഇനി അടുത്ത എന്താണ്? Multiplying by 2 minus 4. Okay, what did I do? ഞാൻ ഏതാണ്ടോ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ചെയ്തു. എന്തോ സംഭവിച്ചേ? 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. മോളിൽ 10 വരും. Okay, I will correct. അതെന്തോ മാറിപ്പോയത്. Equation number 1 multiplied by 5. What do we get? This is 5 tens are 50a plus 5 2s are 10b equal to 4 5s are 20. Okay. പിന്നെ second one എന്താണ്? Second one എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് multiply ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Into 2 ചെയ്യും. So that I can have a 10 here. Okay. ഇവിടെ വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും സോറി ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കണം. എത്ര 15 2s are 30. So 30a and ഇവിടെ minus 10b will be equal to 2 2s are 4. So it is minus 4. Okay. ഇനി എലിമിനേഷൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ രണ്ട് കോഎഫിഷ്യൻസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എലിമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുക, ആഡിങ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ 50 പ്ലസ് 30 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എത്രയാണ്? 80. എ വിൽ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇത് എത്രയാണ്? 16 അല്ലേ? 16. So a is equal to, therefore what we get, therefore a equal to 16 by 80, and that is equal to 16 5s are 80. I think, yes. What is 16 into 5? 80. Okay, so a is equal to 1 by 5. Same way, you take any one of the equations. I'll take the first one. So from equation 1, what we have is 10a plus 2b equal to 4. Or I can take, I could have simplified the first one by dividing by 2. It's okay, let it be like that. 10a plus 2b equal to 4. So I'll take a equal to 1 by 5. A will be equal to 1 by 5. So this is 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2b equal to 4. So 5 2s are 10. Now I can take this as 2 plus 2b equal to 4. So 2b equal to 4 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 2. This is b and 2. So this implies. So therefore what do we have? Therefore b is equal to 2. This is what we are getting. Okay, b equal to 2 and a is equal to 1 by 5. Can you correct? Hello? B is equal to 1. Okay. Is everything okay? Seems to be okay. A is equal to 1 by 5. So I get 2 here, then 2b plus 4. Yes, everything is okay. So therefore, let us go back to our assumption. 1 by x plus y equal to a and 1 by x minus y equal to b. So 1 by x plus y equal to a. So it was 1 by 5 and 1 by x minus y equal to b, which is equal to 1. So from these two, we get two different equations again. Okay, and the equations are, so this implies that x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Now we have to solve this part once more again, but that is simple. Okay, eliminating, you get 2x equal to 6. So x equal to 3. Now you take any one of the equations as from, so this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So from equation number 3, what we have? We have x plus y equal to 5. So this implies 3 plus 5 equal to 5. So what is this? 3 plus y equal to 5. 3 plus y equal to 5. So we get y equal to 2. Okay, 5 minus 3 and x equal to 3. So what is the solution? X equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is the solution. Because solve എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? Find the value of the variable in the given equations. Okay, value of the variables in the given equation ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. So x, therefore എന്താണ്? Therefore x equal to 3 and y will be equal to 2. Okay, is that clear? So that's all for today. We can meet in the next class tomorrow. Thank you.